Hey, what's up, Safemoon holder? So this video is very urgent for Safemoon holder, because in this video I tell you, my friend, to upcoming days they going up or they falls down. What's my prediction, my friend? And what's the new target of Safemoon, my friend? CEO of Safemoon specially targeting now. So absolutely, I tell you, my friend, I see this tweet absolutely, and today therefore I want to urgent or tell you, my friend, if you are know about this. So Safemoon has gone very often upcoming days, my friend. But how is it possible? You can see here minus 37 points. This is a negative. They fails down, my friend, completely fails down. But the CEO target, I see, I can't, my mind is stop working to how is it possible to they can hit it. So let's decide the price prediction. First of all, my friend, the Safemoon price prediction is very important because they are completely fails down, my friend. As you can see here in the last previous days, exactly they go like a rocket. Oh my goodness, 0.0009 US dollar they can hit it, my friend. Absolutely, they're going very fast, my friend. This is just, I think, the 55 days ago to they are launched, my friend. But I can't believe it. And the 1 million special, the 1 million, congratulations every Safemoon holder for 1 million holder. This is good news. The CEO of Safemoon, congratulations especially for everyone. So my friend, this time you can see here the Safemoon as one of the fastest and viral coin, and this time in the crypto market, exactly one of the viral and the world, absolutely, my friend. So this time you can see here the chain occur plus 2.95%. So I think the Dutch coin as the Safemoon speed are same, my friend. So both going very fast. But this time, my friend, also the Dutch coin also fails down, and also Safemoon also fails down, my friend. Both coins are fails down, my friend. If you can see here this time, if we draw a chart of this circulation, absolutely which we do a circulation which time, if you check my previous day, absolutely I use this formula in every video. So my friends, please check out, subscribe to YouTube channel for more this type video. Click the red button, please. Thank you so much, my friend. You are my friend. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing, my friend. If you can see here, after this, you can see here they gone very fastly up, and this time after they fails down, you can see after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take again jump, and you can see here this is the circulation. Every cryptocurrency has gone up and fails. You can see here, and this circulation they're moving. So my friend, Safemoon also fails down, and then so absolutely the Safemoon CEO target very high, my friend, and the target as 0.00100 exactly, my friend. So this is absolutely possible, my friend. But if they're moving and this channel, you can see here if they change occur and this time. So my friend, after a fail they take again jump. This is, I tell you, my friend, you can see here I have a 3-year experience in a crypto market, and I use this tip. Absolutely, I cannot lose in any cryptocurrencies. After a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. You remember this, okay, my friend? So after this fails they also take a very high jump, you can see here. So let's see it in the last 1 hour. Do they take a jump? They are moving in the jump side or they are moving in the fall side? This is very important, my friend. Please, oh my goodness, I am right. You can see here, my friend, this time in the last 1 hour chart, you can see here 9.09% they're going up. What a brilliant shot, my friend. After a small fails they again take a very high jump. So I hope they can easily hit 0.009 US dollar, because the price is very badly fails down, my friend. So Safemoon holder, please invest. Absolutely, this is good time. And sorry, if you are new on Safemoon, absolutely invest. This is good time. If you want to more, then absolutely this is good. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. Just or for a long time. For a long time, my friend. I sell it in 2025, absolutely. And today I am also going to buy more. So thanks for watching, Safemoon holder. Please keep touch with us. I also share my opinion and my experience and my videos. Please also you share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel for touching us. Please bell icon also.